Okay. Please pop. Yeah, because I get happy.
Yeah.
I get happy.
They're getting too nervous.
You want to do this, don't you?
Chaz, I'm making a movie.
Oh, stop it.
It's time to get Jonathan. Is it almost time to get Jonathan? So you can let Angel hold that. You want me to save you some food? Don't bring him back here. Take him straight home.
Oh, really? No, I want to come back.
Okay, we'll bring him back here. Tell him to get back here before 1 o'clock.
Oh, that's right.
Angel.
Good. Yeah.
What is this thing gonna blow up?
The head is on the road. This is loose. Take that over there. Where's the pick? We got 2 picks.
Right there, the second one's right there.
Good.
Have a pleasant day, sis. All right. You can come through. Not rushing you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
You look like it.